guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a Simply Gilded haul. So I got her May subscription and it is Life's a Peach. I'm from Georgia, so naturally I'm really excited. So I haven't even opened this box. I'm really excited to do that. I wanted to wait until I was filming, which was like one day, because I've been working on everyone's PVC orders, so yeah. So I know there's a card. Well, there's usually a card in here that tells you everything. No, oh, it's still in the box, I think. Yes, okay. So, all right. So I'm gonna move everything out of the way. Foiling journaling, I speak more good. I'm gonna just leave that in there. We're just gonna roll with it. So this is a foiled journaling card, now that I can speak more good. Just peachy. So pretty, so pretty. And I like that it's rounded. I think that's a little bit different. Set of 5 washi tapes, which is really what everybody cares about. Alright, so these look like they go together. Okay, so you have this one. I'll zoom in some, which matches the box perfectly. I mean, perfectly. Actually, these both do. It's like, you know, she put it together on purpose. Anyway, yeah, so you get a floral washi. I can't speak today, it's because I'm so tired. I've been working on PVC all day. You get floral washi, and then you get that plaid. And then these are her like inspirational quotes. Peachy King, keep an eye on something. Maybe a peach, because that looks like it may be that same one. Pretty as a peach. So these are super cute. I don't know, there we go. It's hard with my lighting. If I leave it like that, you see the light, so that's why I'm kind of sideways here. So these are your non-bow washies in here, which I think are pretty versatile. And then the best part, your peach washi. And I believe it is a champagne gold. I'm pretty sure. I'm probably holding there. I should just do it that way. Sorry guys, like I said, I'm so tired. But yeah, so big one. I guess this is 1510, and now she's coming out with a 5mm, so I'm excited. So these are all the washies that you get, and I love them. Foiled pocket TN insert, which is this guy right here. I'll zoom you out just a little bit. So you have this with a little bow down here, and then it's just blank per usual. And then the back is Life's a Peach with her logo again down here. So zoom, there we go. So pretty. I absolutely love this theme. Like, this is like my total theme. And then we have the paper clips. So you have a peach, you have a relax, and then you have a bow. I mean, can't go wrong with any of those. And then you have a diamond gel pen, which is peach as well. I don't have any of these. I see them all over eBay, but I never actually purchased any of them. But they're like fun. Let's see. Ooh, that's all over me. This is a very waxy one. Oh, it. Do I have anything to write on? How about some back of some stickers? Whoa, definitely jelly. I like this one. Yeah, that writes pretty nice. And I'm on the back of stickers, so it's not gonna write the best anyway, but that actually wrote pretty well. And then you have the bow charm, which I'll zoom in some. I think, no, it's coming pretty true to color. I was gonna say, I think my camera's washing it out, but no, I think I'm okay. And it has gold hardware, which I'm very happy about. So cute. And then you have, is this just one set of stickers? Yes, so you have one set of stickers, which you guys know my kind of take on last month's stickers, that it was a lot of text for no reason. So I'm so glad she went back to one thing of stickers, or if she does, that maybe she'll reformat them. But to be honest, I would probably rather see a full sheet of just like deco. Cause like you can't really do much with this just in general. Sorry, I'm trying to stay out of the glare. Or she should have like a sticker shop print them. Although I don't think she can get them as cheap if a sticker shop did it. So yeah, this was the box and I love it so, so much. And really, this is all I care about, is this right here. I mean, just those. I mean, I wish she would just do a box of washi that was just bows, but I guess that's what like her new releases are, so it kind of defeats the purpose. But I would have no problem with auto delivery of bows every month. Just saying. So, all right, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.